Hi everyone, this is where we're putting absolutely everything together, and you are going to devise your very own ethics, vision, mission, and values statement. This is going to be your guidepost as you move forward with your leadership practice. So we're going to really reflect on what you've learned throughout the course, make it your own, and you're going to focus on your strengths, your life experiences, your moral cloth, professional role identity, all of those factors as you're devising your very own statements. So as you're looking at devising the statements, it really takes time to think about things, think about Nurse Practice Acts, those types of things, the Code of Ethics for nurses. All of those factors have a play in who you are as an ethical leader. So this requires some really complex and critical thought. So set aside some time for you to really think through and process what we've gained through the course and really reflect on your practice, what's important to you, what is important to you as your values, those types of things. And we're going to dive back to what we did in immersion as well. So you're really going to look at your overall personal makeup. You're going to go back to the Strengths Finders and look at the activities that we did through the True North activities and really focus on all of those aspects and looking at professional competencies, regulatory mandates, all of those factors to meld together into your statements. So you're also going to look into the literature as far as ethical practice and leadership in nursing, and you're going to gather at least 4 references that will help to guide you as well, and also reflect back on the components of the presentation that you did, your social justice interview, how that was impactful to you, and then you're going to devise your statements. And then you're going to do a reflection on what really entailed you devising those particular statements. This is not an extremely lengthy paper, but it does require quite a bit of time and thought to really synthesize all the information and bring everything together. We're really tying everything up in a nice little package based on what we've done in both immersion, covered in this course, and really looking back on you as a person and what's important to you as far as your values and other aspects. So you're going to start out with your introduction. You're going to name those guiding ethical principles. What ethical principles are important to you? So use the words of ethics when you're describing your ethical principles. Then get into kind of a summary of the literature and take a look at your strengths as far as Rath's Strength Finders. What were your aha moments maybe during the True North exercises, or what did you gain through those exercises? What did you bring forward from them? And really look into who you are as a leader, as a person. And then you're going to devise your statements, and just like for an organization, your vision, that is what guides you. That is your big picture. It needs to be short and no more than 2 sentences. Usually they're shorter than that. And then your mission is a very clear and concise description on basically how your action is in getting toward your vision. And then you're going to list out your value statement. What values do you regard very highly as a leader? And make sure that your vision, mission, and values are congruent. They tick and tie, so to speak. And your vision, mission, and values should really reflect that deep critical thought and analysis that's important as a leader. So you're really exercising some of those skills that are so crucial as a leader in doing this assignment. So we're exercising some of that metacognition that's so important. And then you're going to reflect on the process. And sometimes this is not as easy as it sounds. And I really want you to really do that really deep thought and really think about this, because this is really what will guide you. And we will reflect back on this particular assignment in some of your future courses as well, as far as how some of your activities tick and tie with your ethical leadership vision, mission, and value statement. So then you're going to tie everything up in a nice conclusion and make sure that you follow APA format for the paper itself. If you have absolutely any questions about the assignment, please let me know, and I really look forward to reading your papers and learning where you are as far as your ethical leadership practice. Thank you so much, and take care now.